Hello, welcome to Crewe Jaguar. Here is our XE R Sport 2 litre 180 diesel. For ends red, 19-inch upgraded alloy wheels, keyless entry with memory pack for seats and steering wheel with the power fold mirrors, cold climate pack, heated screen, heated steering wheel and heated washer jets, automatic lights and windscreen wipers there. We have sat-nav, FM, AM, DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. The vehicle also has park assist, 8-speed gearbox, and we have 4 driving modes as well, and Meridian sound system. Ebony seats with the light oyster stitching, gloss black window surrounds, just there. And heading into the boot, we've got split fold seats there, 40, 20, 40. The car does come with front sensors, rear sensors and a rear camera as well. Does include the diesel exhaust fluid, which needs topping up roughly 9 to 10,000 miles on there. Isofix with the ebony and light oyster stitch continuing in the rear of the vehicle, and an extra 12-volt charging point down there for you. That concludes our video of our XE R Sport 2 litre diesel here at Crewe Jaguar. If you require any further information, do give us a call and we'll be happy to help.